In this video, I'm going to show you how you can map printers for your end users without disturbing their workflow. Now, this does assume that you have a remoting software where you can use PowerShell in the background and that you know the IP address of the printer. So, with that said, let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is know what printer driver you're going to use. So you can use the command like Get-PrinterDriver, and this will display a list of printer drivers. I'm going to take this HP universal one. I'm just going to copy that. And then you're going to need to either make sure that the PC already has the printer port added or add a custom printer port. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new one with the commandlet Add-PrinterPort. It will need a name. Let's call it, let's make it the same as the IP address, 10.6.2.180, whatever it is. I'm just making up an IP address. This isn't a real printer, but it will work with a real printer. And then PrinterHostAddress, that will be the IP, 10.6.2.180, and we just added the printer port. Now the rest is pretty simple. Add printer. You'll give this printer a name. Let's name it Printer 1. Getting real creative here. Now it's going to need the port name, which is going to be the Add-PrinterPort thing we just did up here. And we made the name the same as the IP. I just like to do that for my own sake. And then we need the driver name, which we already copied, and since it's a string, it needs to be in parentheses, and we will wait for this command to process. Now, while this is processing, I will also put a script in the description that you can run on these computers if you don't want to type all this manually. It's pretty cool, pretty simple, but very effective. Now, if we type get printer, we can see printer 1 is here. If we click Windows I, we go to devices, we go to printers and scanners, we see printer 1 here, we click manage, printer properties, you can see the name's printer 1, you can see the port, that's what we made it, and then in advanced, it has the correct driver. And that's it.